Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a VW Passat brake light. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself with just a few basic tools. You will need a new brake light bulb, typically a 7506 type, and a flathead screwdriver. Having these items ready will make the process quick and efficient. Now, let's get started by accessing the tail light assembly. First, open your trunk to expose the interior of the rear fender area. You will find a small access panel or a section of trim that needs to be gently removed. Once that is out of the way, locate the 1 or 2 plastic wing nuts or screws securing the entire tail light unit. Loosen these by hand or with a screwdriver. With the assembly loose, gently pull the entire tail light unit straight out from the car. Next, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small release tab and pulling it apart. Now, locate the brake light bulb holder. It usually twists about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release. Remove the old bulb by pushing it in and twisting counterclockwise. Then, insert your new bulb, push it in, and twist clockwise until it is secure. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place. Carefully slide the tail light assembly back into its mounting points on the vehicle. Hand tighten the 1 or 2 plastic wing nuts or screws you removed earlier. Finally, replace the interior access panel or trim. Before you finish, have a friend press the brake pedal to confirm your new light is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.